G'day and welcome back to another Vision Homes jet ski adventure or ventures. Today we're out of Borocay in the Philippines, such a beautiful place. This is actually the local ramp. This is where all the boats come and all the people are going out on boats and exploration to all the islands where they load up. Very clever how they've done it, as you'll see. Like, have a look at this. So with all the typhoons and the big waves and everything, you can imagine a normal sort of jetty wouldn't work here. So this actually goes up and down with the waves. And there's one here, there's one down at the station further down. We've got 3 stations, 1, station 2, station 3. So anyway, today's episode, we're gonna go for a quick jet ski ride out the front here in Borocay. Beautiful place that it is. I'll show you a bit more footage. Show you a bit more footage around the place, around the Philippines, maybe some old footage. Out at the islands, Magic Island, which has some great springboards and jumping boards, and a little bit of the Filipino culture and beautiful destinations. We're going to go over and have a chat with Ra from Badfish. These guys, he's our family, and these guys are free divers, and some of their fins are as big as them themselves, and some absolutely magical footage. So we'll try and get a bit of that footage from Ra and put it together in this episode. So come along on the journey, should be a fun one. A lot of picturesque stuff over here, and definitely come to the Philippines. There's over 7,000 islands and we've hardly visited any of them. So come and check it out. We got some extra teepee ones. Some teepee ones. Oh! Got it. Nice. Boom. That's good. Teepee, barefoot. Okay, so we're out at Borocay, and this is the guy to see when you want to get on a jet ski. And what do we got for 15 minutes? How many pesos for 15 minutes?
2,300.
And for 30 minutes?
30 minutes is 3,800.
And what was your name?
Edgar.
Okay, so come and see Edgar, and he's the guy to hook you up with the jet ski. And so the ladies here.
Hello, nothing new.
Oh, ¿cómo está? Well, thank you. Okay, so that was pretty cool. We went out for a quick ride. It was about 23 knots, got smashed in the face with heaps of water. Great people, good fun. Yeah, definitely do it when you're over here in Borocay. Maybe on a calmer day than today, but it's still awesome. The blue swimmers over, this is like the blue swimmers over here in Borocay. And a couple of muddies. Oh, this is different lapo.
Yeah, this one is very good. Very delicious.
That one, yeah. We were taking a video for
Quality,
back in the hotel.
This is quality.
Oh.
Then king prawn.
Big king, that's big prawn too.
King prawn.
Yeah. And what was your name?
Alex.
And this is who to come and see for the big prawns. You got the good ones. Have a look at this. You just grabbed a couple. Very, very nice. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you.
A lot.
Three.
3. That's all we need. That's each. We'll share.
Massive.
Like, you won't eat all that. It's a kilo. Oh, shots.
Here we go.
Oh.
What is it?
It's green. Yeah, just a normal tap water. Yeah. Oh, well done. Is that good for Nigi in the background?
My brother from another mother. Thank you, sir. Okay, so seeing there's no Kahlua, happy hour finishes. Oh, and hang on. Singapore sling. And Singapore sling.
Alright, ready, mate?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Come on, Shah.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Bubbles? Bubbles?
Oh, two.
He's a boy. Boom!
Come on.
No backlit, definitely no.
Ah, no backlift? Alright, let's jump Basta na pwede, okay? Ready? You're good!
Got it. Your turn, Shaw. You better go on this too. Me? You got it.
Pencil.
Pencil dive, you got it.